I think you are the most credible publication house and one of the oldest in the UAE. A lot of people look forward to Khaleej Times and their credible news.
So now there are different kinds of events or scenarios. Now anything to do with crisis or anything which we need to, cross check, that is done almost not 10 times.
Important do you think is marketing?
It is as important as hiring a HR or hiring anybody in your organization or a manufacturing specialist to have certain budgets across kept for marketing, because this is you being visible to people who don't know you.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another podcast, On Point with Abbas Hamidi. Today, we have a very special guest in the studio. She is none other than Harijot Oberoi Bohra. She is a marketing head at Khaleej Times. It's been 11 years she's been in that position, and we have a lot of information and things to learn from her. It's been almost 19 years now that she's been in media and journalism industry. Welcome, Harijot, and thank you for being in the studio and taking your time and coming here today. How are you?
Thank you, Abbas, for having me here. It's really a very amazing experience. All is well. Hope you're doing well.
Yes, everything is well. So let's get started with the podcast. How many copies, for example, how many copies do you sell? I mean, do you print and you publish and you distribute in
In the
this?
region.
Yeah. This
Wow, I like the question. It's the pulse of today's, most hot topic, because being in the print industry, we say that print is diminishing, but that's not the case.
yeah.
There are the lovers in the region who like to read and hold the newspaper
Hold the
and
newspaper.
have the right kind of news
Yeah.
right there on their early morning zones.
Yeah.
So, answering your question, yes, we do print almost 80,000 plus
80,000
copies
every day.
every day.
Wow.
And these copies are distributed to various regions. It is commercial copies, hospitality copies, the residents who subscribe it, copies which goes to different lounges. So yes, so the
What
number
are the
is
like normal challenges you face on day-to-day basis, daily basis? Do you feel that every day is a new challenge, or no? It's now a system-based thing, so it goes smoothly.
I would say every day is new learning. I will, replicate this word challenge to learning.
Yeah.
And yes, being in media, we cannot have a standardized process, because every day in and out, you need to be ready for the quick actions.
Yeah.
So yes, the process changes, the timelines changes. It all depends on the breaking news, what is
Wow,
new,
yeah.
how we cover it,
Yes.
and how our team members, the actual editorial team, the journalists who are on the ground, how they come together and put the entire storyboard. So yes, it's
Wow.
cool.
How do I mean physical newspaper right now? Would you say is more relevant because of this new digital age? More, is it still relevant? And how much do you think that it's still going to be in the what would the future hold for this? What would you say?
So I'll talk about present right now.
Okay.
So when we say how relevant it is, yes, as I mentioned earlier, in the region, we have the generation who loves long read.
Long read.
So long read is only visible and nicely done on in the newspapers. We do have our social media bites and engagements, which is very apt, and it is very important to keep changing and be on the track. I would not say that that's not important. So that I would say that's now, if we call about the pie, it is 40%, but 60% still when we need to cover the story in detail, that comes on the print paper.
Yeah. Even today, like every morning, me and my father, we sit on a breakfast, and of course, we have the newspaper which is there on the on my mat, and we get that first, and we start talking about things. I feel that a lot more credibility comes when you're reading it on a physical paper, is what I understand. And even online, you don't know who's from where the data is coming, because there are all sorts of things. Whatever topic you write, there is some article. So I think physical is more credible, is what I understand. I just wanted to know that what is when an event happens, right? Okay, something has happened in the world.
Right.
To it coming to your newspaper in tomorrow's editorial, or what is the process? Like, how do you, how do you take that? How do you?
So now there are different kinds of events or scenarios. Now
Yeah.
anything to do with crisis or anything which we
Yeah.
need to, cross check, that is done
Yeah.
almost not one, 10 times,
Yeah.
which is verified if it is not first party source. That is
Okay.
not done by our journalists. But
Okay.
in most of the case, that is not the case. We verify, and it is our
Yeah.
person who is working in the company, they do it. But when
Okay.
it comes to anything to do with entertainment zones, so those,
Yeah.
if those are supplied stories, but
Yeah.
again, the tick mark, the
Yeah.
verified
The
tick mark
verifying.
is
Yeah.
very important,
Yeah.
that we publish the right thing. That's
Yeah.
why we say, no, that anybody and everybody cannot be a publication
Publication.
house.
Yes.
It is, and that's why we subscribe newspaper,
Yeah.
because it's the relevance,
I think
it's
you're the most
authenticity.
credible
Yeah.
publication house and one of the oldest in the UAE. A
Yeah,
lot of
with-
people look forward to Khaleej Times and their credible news. So yes, also artificial intelligence is a lot of an integrated approach is what is coming in right now. Has it made your life easier, or do you use it quite often, or what would you say? How has it changed?
So I would say it's a wow approach. I mean,
Yeah.
anything to be on the track and keep changing is the only thing which keeps you at the position.
Yeah.
So definitely integrated approach and AI is, and so many, not us, so many publication house or the TV news channels have taken that. But I would say nobody will replace an manual intelligence.
Manual. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is very important. But yes, and when we call about integrated approach, so when we say Khaleej Times or any publication house, we are not dependent only on print. So the integrated approach would be the print, the social media, the digital, the podcast, the raining things which is ongoing, and it is the events, the BTL and ATL all together.
Yeah.
So that is what nowadays a publication or a news channel
Yeah. Correct.
is called for,
Correct.
and it is very must to have all the media vehicles, all the vehicles approach together for one news, for any client, for any kind of PR,
Yes.
to include
Tough
all
job.
the media vehicles.
You talk about PR. Let's talk about a more commercial side. Physical media. How important do you think is marketing and branding as a as a business or a service that someone is? How important would you think?
I would say marketing or branding basically is to know a particular person or a business, and it is utmost important. We should not be dependent on the scale of the business we have. We should not say that, okay, fine, it is as important as hiring a HR or hiring anybody in your organization or a manufacturing
Yeah.
specialist to have certain budgets across kept for marketing,
Yeah.
because this is you being visible to people who don't know you. It is the masses.
Yeah,
So they will come and they will know you, they will understand, and it is very important to have that goodwill stamp.
Yeah.
And any publication house will just not publish you like that unless they verify.
I think the trend right now is going, a lot of people are doing personal branding first. No matter even if they sell any service or a product, they themselves market, their personal branding. What
Correct.
would you use?
So I would say, see, marketing, no, it's very region driven for sure. So when we say personal branding here, we are fortunate enough. I'm not saying that the number of people are less in the region, but we are fortunate enough that we get chance to interact with every known, in the
Yeah,
same
the-
industry
yeah.
and all. So the personal branding here plays a very vital
Very
role.
vital.
It does. So it is like you are the face of the company.
Yeah.
You are the person who, a person
Yeah.
can rely.
Yeah.
Of course, with the company
Yes.
legacy and, all of that is there. But here in this region, again, I would say it's very region focused and region
I think it
driven.
increases the credibility of the person no matter whatever he's selling. If you are doing an edit or you're giving his profile on the newspaper, that means
Right.
he's more credible.
Yeah.
Because a publishing house like you have published his article or something, it makes him more credible. Also, I wanted to ask you, how important is your media and journalism side of the commercial side to put some product or service as a product launch in your newspaper? What would you suggest, or your advice, how important it is?
See, right now, being one of the first English daily in the region, and when we say we are here from 46 plus years, so definitely it will add, because the number of people we are covering, reaching is
Yeah.
far most. And when it comes to a digital number, or when it comes to a digital reach, I think there is a data available in the market which can prove the point. Yes, there is a lot of organic reach,
Reach, yeah.
and you do target your target audience.
Yeah.
So it is like when we say that okay fine, a particular post goes live or an EDM goes live, so we can actually target, if not to masses, your particular category,
Yeah. Okay.
which will not be like major in numbers, but the right kind of people you need,
Yeah.
and the conversion rates and
Yeah.
ROI goes high.
I think also your data and the statistics that you might be having, because you've been here since so long, the know-how and the target market, whatever data that you have is so organic, is what I feel. And you can specifically target to that sector or that region, and as you likely said.
Yeah.
So yeah, you have the upper hand over everyone. Yeah, okay. And public relations, PR, the PR you talked about, how important is that on making your product or service successful? And how would Khalij Times can help them to achieve that threshold?
Sure. I'll break this question into two parts. The first one, how important is, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
So you hold so many businesses and
Yeah.
all. How important it is for you to have CRM in your
Oh,
thing?
very very important.
So you can just have the equations right there.
Right.
It is very important.
Yeah,
So you
customer.
really,
Yeah. The relationship that we make. Relationship is everything in business.
everything, and that is what
Yeah.
PR
Yeah, that is what
is.
PR is. Yeah.
So the PR helps you to maintain relationship, build relationship with your
Yeah.
relevant category
Yeah.
owners and the
Yeah.
business you want to target.
Yeah.
So
How would Khalij Times, if I today I wanna have an event, or how would Khalij Times help me in PR? Do you have a specific, your model or business? If I want to take your service, does that Khalij Times do that kind of?
yes, they do that. The best thing is that we customize packages.
Oh,
We
okay, wow.
customize as per the
As per the
business
requirement.
need. It is not like one massive. We do have a rate card. I would just say if you're talking about the
Yeah.
commercial side, but it is like our team
Yeah.
is all out to give you the set template what will suit and work
What
for
do you-
better.
Wow.
So it's all customization.
Yeah. And also influence engagement is something that a lot of you guys do. You tag along with the certain product or service with a certain influencer. Is that
So
also
that's a
something?
pie in our media vehicle share, but I would say like influencer marketing is very.
Oh, it's called an influencer marketing.
Yes,
Okay.
and it
Wow.
is a need of an hour. Again,
Okay.
it's a very region driven.
Yeah.
It is need of the hour, but again, combining it with rest of our media vehicles is
Yeah.
what makes it.
So if
tick mark.
I have a product, or for example, to launch, so you have that right influencer, you can suggest us, and
we
then
can
you work around.
suggest the right timelines,
Oh,
the
wow.
right media vehicles you should include.
What
the
do you
right
mean by media vehicle? Is which media?
for example, when we talk about Khalij Times, whether you should take social media, Instagram, Facebook,
Okay.
LinkedIn, YouTube, or when we talk about print, we have various product lines like main Khalij Times newspaper, our entertainment section that is City Times, our lifestyle magazine which is Weekend Magazine, something to do with business technology review, our full magazine
Oh,
which
full
comes out
magazine, yeah.
monthly.
Yeah.
So all of this, so every business has a need. We just can't say okay, this business will go well with any of the publication
Yeah.
and you can take ad anywhere.
Yeah,
It should
it
make
don't-
sense.
yeah,
So
it
that
should
is
be
what our
specific.
team suggests, and we go ahead accordingly.
Wow.
And along with social media, then if you want to do digital, you want to do a podcast, you want to do a Facebook live, whether there is a need of influencers to be integrated, whether we
yeah.
do on ground activation, whether we do an event,
Yes.
all of that can be planned.
Wow. What would you say the future of journalism be now? Because the world is moving so fast, a lot of things are happening, changing. What are you guys doing to keep pace with today's, this day and age, and how digital things are going, artificial intelligence, as we spoke. What is the future of your industry?
Flexibility.
Flexibility
And change.
and change. Yeah.
You just can't say okay, we are 46 year or X publication is 100 years old,
Yeah.
let's stick to the same pattern.
Yeah.
I think for that matter any business,
Any
I don't think
business,
so.
yeah.
Everything which needs to
Yes.
grow is the
Yes.
need of today, and
Yeah.
you need to learn what is working today.
Yes.
And the best part of a media industry is there is no, you don't have to wait to change.
Okay, so let me conclude here, because we are on a constrained time. I just wanted to know what would be your takeaway for our audience today from here, and how would you say that, what would be the step forward if we are doing a business or service, and how you can help us to achieve that?
Sure. So my takeaway right now would be we are there. Just treat this line as very important. We are there for you guys. Be you are a reader, be you are a subscriber, be you are an advertiser. all your needs, all you need is, we are there to give you all solution. We are there to cover your stories. We do a lot of local content. We make sure the region is highlighted to a various extent that you enjoy the story where you're living,
Wow.
which is not available online. The
Yes.
detailed, maybe for example, a Oman chips person who's been in the region for more than 80 years, and
Yes.
how we've covered him in the newspaper with a pictorial presentation, and how successful he
Yes.
was, what the sense
Yeah, the
essence of
small,
that
small
chips
things,
and
yeah.
everything, all small things, and that was loved by our
Yeah,
readers.
yeah.
They were so
I
happy.
read the article.
Maybe anything to do with a local connect,
Local
community
connect,
connect.
yeah.
So we are there.
Yeah.
When it comes to advertisers, we are there to customize your proposal. We are there to suggest you the right thing. We are there to be with you. We are there to grow your business from starting point to where you guys are
Wow.
flourishing. So
Wow, amazing. Thank you, Harijot, for your time today.
Thank you, Abbas.
And it was a great insight, and I really hope that it can help our businesses and services people to grow and use your platform as a marketing tool. Thank you once again. Thank you to all the audience who's watching our podcast today. Please do like, subscribe, and share the word and the channel. Thank you.